In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a device to Strava on Strava app. If you're looking to sync your runs, rides, or heart rate data automatically, connecting your device is the simplest way to keep everything in one place. Before we begin, it helps to have your phone connected to the internet, your Bluetooth turned on if your device needs it, and the device itself nearby and charged. Keeping the Strava app updated also makes the process smoother. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. From the main screen, look toward the top of the app and tap the profile icon. This takes you to your personal area where you can adjust account details and, most importantly for today, manage connections. Next, tap the settings icon at the top. It usually looks like a small gear. This is where Strava keeps all the app preferences and connection options so you can tailor the experience to your setup. Inside Settings, find and tap Manage Apps and Devices. This is the hub for everything related to syncing data from watches, bike computers, fitness trackers, and other services. If you've never connected anything before, this page may look empty or show suggested partners. Now tap Connect a Device to Strava. This opens a list of compatible devices and services. You'll see categories and brand names here. Choose the one that matches your watch, bike computer, or tracker. Go ahead and tap the device you want to connect. From here, just follow the step-by-step instructions on your screen to proceed. Depending on the device, Strava may guide you to authorize your account with the manufacturer, grant permissions like Bluetooth or location, or confirm that your device is powered on and nearby. If a login page appears for your device's partner app, sign in there and approve the connection so Strava can receive your activity data. Keep the Strava app open during this part and avoid switching away until it confirms the connection. You'll know everything is set when the device shows as connected within Manage Apps and Devices or when you see a confirmation message. After that, your future activities recorded on the device should sync automatically to Strava whenever you have an internet connection. If syncing seems slow, open both apps, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or mobile data are on, and give it a moment. You can always return to the same Manage Apps and Devices section to review or adjust your connections later. And that's it. Open the Strava app, go to your profile, head into Settings, Manage Apps and Devices, connect a device, and follow the on-screen prompts. You're ready to track and share your workouts with ease.